Hello everybody, my name is Tyler Potts and this video is just to say thank you to everybody who has supported me so far. We about a week ago we smashed 1,000 subscribers, now almost at 1,200. That is incredible. The speed we got there as well. So I've had this channel since 2014, but I only just started really getting into it in January, and now it's only April and we already smashed 1,000. Well, we got it in March, so we smashed 1,000 subscribers so fast. So I need to thank you all for that. That is absolutely incredible. Secondly, the news from that, after hitting 1,000 subscribers, I then started up a Patreon page, which I haven't really announced too much. I've put it in a few places, especially Discord. I said it in there, but again, I didn't want to make anyone feel obligated to become a patron. It's only for people who can support me and are willing to support me because they enjoy my content. I don't expect anyone who just wants to watch my content and they just want to learn without having any of the other benefits or anything. They just want the pure content I put out. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with just doing that. I'm happy with you guys just watching my videos. Every view is like a goal for me. So the Patreon is just there to support me financially. There's already a few people, or one person so far, who has become a patron, which is amazing. That is SD Guy from the Discord. Thank you very much. So there is a few benefits what come with being a patron. For starters, in the Discord server, if you're a patron, you automatically, after the first payment comes out, get promoted to a Super Saiyan Blue, which is where you can promote your own stuff in that level, and also you get to have a special chat area inside the Discord for the Patreons only, so it's less hectic than the actual Discord itself. Other than that, more benefits are coming. Also, you get, at the end of this video, you'll see that you get a Patreon wall, which shows all the Patreons so far. Everyone who gets support gets a shout out in the videos. Obviously, once that starts getting bigger, I might start doing different things, like adding in like a scroll or something to show your name. I don't want to put everyone's names really small. I want it so everyone's name stands out. Other than that, I'm going to be adding different benefits, such as courses, special courses just for Patreons, but it's all in the future. This is for now. These will be higher tiered stuff. There'll be also I'll be posting on the Patreon page just with exclusive content, just exclusive questions, stuff to help people out, maybe even challenges. And I think that's really it for the Patreon side of things. So anybody who just want to support me, the link will be in the description. I thank you all very much. Even if you can't afford to become a patron, that is absolutely fine. I do not mind. Just the views and the support from commenting on my YouTube channel, hitting the like button and all that is absolutely appreciated. Other than that, guys, I think that's it for this video. So thank you very much. Thanks. I just wanted, again, a massive thank you. We're almost at 1,200 subscribers. I think we'll probably already be there by the time I upload this video. So, again, thank you for that as well. Let's keep growing. Let's keep learning together. And I'm going to keep pumping out courses as long as I can, or tutorials. So, thank you all very much. If you did enjoy this video, then hit that thumbs up. If you want to see more, then smash that subscribe button. And obviously, hit that little bell, because you hit that bell, then you get to know when the videos go live instantly. Then again, if you have any questions, feedback, or anything at all, drop it in the comment section below, or come and join us at our Discord server, where you can come and chat to all of the people, meet new people, get involved and join the community that way. Other than that, guys, thank you for watching, and here are the Patreons.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong.